Number 1, p plus 3 plus 8 equals 10. What value of p is the solution to the given equation? Okay, whenever we're solving algebraic expressions, we're trying to undo what's been done to our variable. In this case, our variable we're solving for is p. So what has been done to our variable? 3 was added to it, and then 8 was added to it, and we arrived at 10. So let's, didn't mean to undo that parentheses. Let's undo what's been done to p in reverse order. So first we have that plus 8. I want to undo that. I want to do the opposite of that. So I need to subtract 8 because subtracting is the opposite of adding. Now, because this is an equation, there is an equal. Anything I do on the left, I have to do on the right too to keep it equal and balanced. So subtracting 8, plus 8 minus 8 on the left, that 8 just disappears and I have that p plus 3 remaining. And on the right, I have 10 minus 8, which is 2. And now p plus 3, the opposite again of adding here is subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 3. I have to do it from both sides. And on the left, I get p, and on the right, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And that is going to be my answer. And lo and behold, there it is, A, negative 1. A thing of note about the parentheses in this problem, sometimes, a lot of times, the parentheses will make a difference in an equation. In this particular case, because we have addition twice, those parentheses don't mean anything. They just don't. But only in this scenario because they are both addition. Also, if they were both multiplication, it wouldn't make a difference. Show you as an example, like if I were to have 3 numbers, I said 4 plus 3 plus 5, and I just added them together, 4 plus 3 plus 5, I would get 12. Well, what if I put parentheses and said, add that first? Well, now it's 7 plus 5. Well, that's 12. I said, oh, no, add that first. Okay, well, that's 8 plus 4. That's 12. It doesn't change anything. If they're all addition or they're all multiplication, it doesn't change anything. When they are different signs like this, different things combined, like here we have addition and multiplication. Oh, it changes things. Because just as is, order of operations says I should multiply first 3 times 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And then adding 4 would get me to 19. But what would happen if I did like that? Then I'm saying, according to order of operations, do the parentheses first. 4 plus 3 is 7 times 5 is 35. So again, yes, in this particular one, if anyone says, well, could I have just ignored the parentheses and like added those together? In this particular case, yes, I could have. P plus 3 plus 8 is 11. And then undoing what's been done to p, I subtract 11 from both sides. Still have p on the left. 10 minus 11 is negative 1. See, I still got negative 1. But again, don't think you can do that in every one that has parentheses. This particular one you just could because they are both pluses, both addition. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.